Welcome back. I'm Jill with the carefreekitchen.com, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite recipe for stuffed peppers. Now, these stuffed peppers have tender, juicy red peppers or green peppers. You can use any kind you want, but then it's filled with lots of ground beef and rice and tomato sauce and then seasoned perfectly. This is an easy summertime meal to use up all of those fresh peppers in your garden. Stay tuned and I will share with you my favorite recipe for stuffed peppers. Here is what you are going to need. You can use red peppers, yellow, orange, green, whatever you have on hand. The next thing you're going to need is some beef, and this is an 80-15. You can use even up to a 20% fat, that would be okay. Some cooked rice, and then some onions that are diced up, some Italian seasoning, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. And I also forgot to show here, you will need a can of tomato sauce. Preheat the oven to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then we're going to prepare the peppers. And to prepare the peppers, we're going to take the core out, scoop out any of that membrane that you can, and then cut in half. Place the peppers inside of a baking dish with about a ½ inch of water and cover that with aluminum foil or baking foil and bake in your preheated oven for about 15 minutes. While the peppers are cooking, prepare the filling. We are going to start off by heating some olive oil in the bottom of a large pot over medium heat until they are transparent. Now you can continue to cook and stir the onions and add in the ground beef, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, and the salt and pepper. And you can just stir this occasionally until the meat is browned or just barely pink. The next thing you're going to do is add your cooked rice, your tomato sauce, and then half of the shredded mozzarella cheese. Another great alternative to the rice would be to add cauliflower rice, and that could easily make this into a low-carb dinner as well. And by now your peppers are probably cooked. Pour off any liquid in the bottom of your pan. Now you can just take a big scoop of that ground beef mixture, add it by heaping spoonfuls onto your peppers. This recipe makes about 8 servings, but of course if your peppers are a little bit smaller or larger, that could vary a little bit, but 1 pepper is a really nice serving size for dinner. Add the remaining shredded cheese over the top of each pepper, and if you wanted to mix this up a little bit, you could use some shredded pepper jack or some shredded cheddar. Today we're using mozzarella. Now just return the peppers to the oven, and there's no need to cover them, and just continue to cook these again for about 10 minutes or until the cheese is melted and just slightly golden on top. These make such a healthy and easy weeknight dinner. It could be done in about 30 minutes, and it's a great way to use up those peppers from your garden or the farmer's market. Serve this with a side salad, and voila, you have yourself a very healthy dinner. So our peppers, they look amazing. Now we just get to try them. I mean, you can see with that mozzarella cheese in the middle there, a little bit of rice. It's loaded with lots of protein, the ground beef. It's really, really yummy. The beef is seasoned perfectly. The cheese is wonderful and melted, and the pepper is just still a little bit crispy. I love it when peppers have just like a little bit of texture to them. They're not too soggy. I will post all of the links below in the description along with the recipe so that you can easily access it. And it's super easy to save on your phone, or you can send it to a friend. Be sure and tag me because I love seeing what you're making. Thank you so much for watching this episode of the Carefree Kitchen. I hope you just love these stuffed peppers, and we will see you next time. Bye.